topic for your very helpful. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and let's start the video. Report writing on Kanchanjunga train crash, West Bengal, 9 killed and 41 injured. By a staff reporter, New Jalpaiguri Station, 18th June. The accident took place near the New Jalpaiguri Station, killed 9 and injured 41 people, including the guard of the Kanchanjunga Express and the loco pilot of the goods train behind after it crashed into Kanchanjunga Express, damaging two parcel coaches, in the absence of which the accident could have had a more dire impact. While five officials placed the primary responsibility for the crash on the loco pilot, assistant loco pilot, and train manager of the container train, a distinct note by an official said that since there was a signal failure on all automatic and semi automatic signals, the section should have been treated as an absolute block section. Under the absolute block system, no train can be allowed to enter a section until the presidency train has fully exited the section. No secondary responsibility was identified by the on ground officials in their observation note. Officials aware of the matter said the majority opinion held that the accident may have occurred due to non-following of rules regarding passing automatic signals at danger position and possible excessive speed of the Ghost train at the time of the collisions. Earlier, Railway Board Chairman and Chief Executive Officer Jaya Verma Sinha had said that the loco pilot Anil Kumar has disregarded the signal, and Railway Union had objected to her statement, claiming it was premature. Meanwhile, the Eastern Railway had issued a circular in which it said that the zone would no longer issue TA 1912 memos to loco pilot until further order. However, late Thursday, the Zonal Railway announced that the order had been issued erroneously and it had withdrawn it. TA 1912 it is issued when automatic signal system fail on a particular route for a number of reasons. Since the system is fail safe, the signal turns red and the station master manually allows trains to pass, albeit at a restricted speed. And this topic for your very helpful. Please like and subscribe to this channel for your helpful videos latest update. Thanks for watching.